Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by committing to unarmed style combat. Pick a class that lets you meet weapon requirements now. Equip any fist/gauntlet or claw weapon you can reach and test its moveset. That gives immediate kung fu options. Level vigor for survivability, then raise strength or dexterity to meet scaling. Put points into endurance for stamina and equip load. Once done, learn a basic ash of war or weapon skill that improves strikes, because technique matters more than raw hits. Next, you commit to mid-game progression. Upgrade your fist or claw at the smith to boost base damage and scaling. A +3 to +6 range makes most encounters manageable. Equip an ash of war that complements rapid chaining or bleed. Make sure it uses your primary scaling stat. Spend time in an open area practicing light combos, jump strikes, and dodge into counter timing so you internalize rhythm and spacing. Once done, fit talismans that speed stamina regen and boost physical attacks. Finish by refining your kung fu. Optimize talismans and armor for mobility and faster stamina recovery, and a final weapon upgrade into the teens if you can. Train advanced tactics, guard counters, weapon art cancels, spacing versus big weapons, and swap to a bleed or arcane option against resistant bosses. If damage is low or stat spread is wrong, respec at Renala to reallocate points or upgrade the weapon further. Troubleshooting tip: if you feel weak, boost weapon level first, then adjust stats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.